Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we are exploring the word evolution. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some fun practice to help you master this word. The word evolution comes from the Latin word evolutio, meaning unrolling or unfolding. In modern English, evolution primarily means gradual development or change over time. For example, the evolution of technology has transformed the way we live. The evolution of smartphones has been incredible over the last decade. Her cooking skills showed great evolution after months of practice. The evolution of language allows us to communicate more effectively. Have you noticed the evolution of music styles over the years? Yes, it is fascinating. Music keeps evolving with every generation. Exactly. It is amazing how the evolution of instruments also influences music. That reminds me. Remember how vinyl records used to be the main way people listened to music? Yes. Then came cassettes, CDs, and now we stream everything on our phones. Exactly. That is a perfect example of evolution in technology. Speaking of evolution, personal growth is also a form of evolution, right? Absolutely. Like how you have improved your public speaking over the last year. Thank you. And you have evolved as a content creator too. Your latest works are amazing. Thanks. It is cool to think how even our hobbies evolve over time. Now it is your turn. Try making a sentence with evolution in the comments below. Remember, practice makes progress. Actually, let me share a few more fun examples. Imagine a young athlete who trains every day. Over time, their performance improves significantly. That is evolution. Or think about the way cities grow, with new buildings, parks, and technologies appearing year by year. Evolution happens all around us. Keep practicing, and you will see your own evolution in language skills too. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.